Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy beef and broccoli lo mein. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in a pot I have preheated. And I'm going to add in some sesame seed oil. I'm going to add in probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons, enough to coat the bottom of the pot. And I'm also going to add in, I have some New York strip steaks. This is probably about 2 pounds of steak I cut into thin strips. We're going to get that in and we're going to brown it up and cook it through the middle. Okay, now that my beef is about halfway fried, and you can see it's still a little pink, I'm going to add in 3 heaping teaspoons of pre-minced garlic. If you were going to do fresh garlic, you'd do about 3 cloves. And I'm going to add in about a half a cup of shredded carrot. These are called matchstick carrots. They're already pre-shredded for you. And I'm going to allow that to cook in with the beef until the beef finishes browning and the carrots become translucent. Alright, while my beef is browning up over here with the carrots in it, I have a pound of spaghetti cooking here. It's down to its last 5 minutes. I'm going to add in 2 12-ounce packages of frozen broccoli florets for a total of 24 ounces of broccoli. And I'm going to bring this back up to a boil. I'm going to allow the broccoli to cook in there for the last 5 minutes until the spaghetti is done. Alright guys, now we're going to make the seasoning for over top of our beef and broccoli lo mein. In a bowl here I have a half a cup of brown sugar. I'm going to add to that a heaping teaspoon of minced up ginger, fresh ginger. I'm also going to add in a half a cup of reduced sodium soy sauce. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. I'm going to add in a half of a cup of hoisin sauce. And guys, hoisin sauce is really delicious. It's like a molasses, brown sugar, teriyaki, soy sauce flavored sauce. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. And I'm going to add in some red crushed pepper. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon. I'm going to stir this all together. We're just going to let this sit aside till our spaghetti and our broccoli is finished cooking over there. Okay, now that my spaghetti and my broccoli is all cooked and drained, I'm going to get it into the beef. Let me just get this little bit out of the pot. Okay, now let's get that sauce we made for over this. I'm just going to dump my sauce right down over top of the spaghetti and the beef. You want to try to get as much of it as you can because that's your flavor right there in the sauce. Go ahead and blend this together. Get all of our flavors mixed together in there. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and added a little more hoisin sauce to that, and I put some sesame seeds on there. Let me get in here and try this. We'll start with a little bit of the, we'll call them lo mein noodles, guys. Even though they're spaghetti. Really good, al dente. They picked up the flavor of that sauce we put in there. Try some broccoli. Broccoli's nice and tender, not mushy at all, well seasoned. Now try a piece of that beef. Really tender, well seasoned. Guys, that's really good. It's like you get from a Chinese takeout, but it's homemade, you know what's in it. It's really delicious, and it's a lot more cheaper and expensive. Alright, there you have it, guys. Easy beef lo mein. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.